Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto OnChain. Before we jump into today's hot news, I've got an easy giveaway for you. Want to win $80? Here's how to enter. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll pick one lucky winner. Let's get those likes up, and let's dive into the video. Tapswap TGE. Is February 17th the real deal? After a series of delays and changes, Tapswap has set its token generation event, TGE, for February 17th on Bitget. This event was originally planned for February 14th but got pushed back after Telegram updated its policy. As a result, Tapswap made a strategic shift to launch $TAPS on the TON blockchain instead of Solana and BSC. Will this be the final date, or is another delay coming? Tapswap community, excited but cautious. The community is split. On one hand, there's excitement. $TAPS could finally hit the market. But on the other hand, there's skepticism. After all the delays, people are wondering, is this really the final date? Bitget is known for its smooth trading experience, so if everything goes as planned, February 17th could be the day $TAPS goes live and traders can finally jump in. What's the community saying? The Tapswap Telegram is buzzing with mixed reactions. Some users are happy about the switch to TON, believing it will help the project in the long run. Others are frustrated with all the delays and platform changes. There's definitely optimism in the air, but also a bit of caution. Many are hopeful, but some are waiting to see if the February 17th listing really sticks. Tapswap price predictions: will $TAPS soar or stall? With the TGE confirmed, speculation around $TAPS price is heating up. Some traders expect it to go as high as $2 to $7, while others are taking a more realistic view. Analysts predict a bullish case of 50 to 65 cents, but if there's an early sell-off, the price could dip to 25 to 30 cents. The big question is, will Tapswap's move to TON help it grow in the long run? If they can tap into Telegram's Web3 ecosystem, $TAPS might even hit a $1 billion market cap and push the price to $1 by 2025. The countdown to February 17th, will it be a boom or bust? Everything is riding on these next few days. If the launch goes smoothly and there's strong adoption in Telegram's Web3 space, we could see $TAPS rise fast. But if there's another delay, it could shake investor confidence. So, do you think February 17th will be the big breakthrough for Tapswap or just another twist in the road? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on Tapswap and all things crypto.